Hello students. In previous session you have learnt about oxidation reaction, and the second reaction that you have learnt was addition reaction. In continuation with those reactions from the same chapter, carbon and its compounds, today you will learn about substitution reaction. As the name suggests, substitution, you can understand that from a particular molecule, one atom is substituted with some other atom. So in general, the reaction is written as saturated hydrocarbon getting converted to alkyl halide. What is the condition necessary for this? You need an halide like X. This X could be chlorine, bromine, iodine. So how do you define a substitution reaction? A substitution reaction is a reaction in which a saturated hydrocarbon, the example shows the molecule that is taken here is methane, CH4, which is a saturated hydrocarbon, and a halogen like chlorine is added in the presence of diffused sunlight. What do we get in this reaction is one of the hydrogen atom of the methane is replaced or substituted with chlorine atom along with the other product HCl. And what is the product name? Chloromethane. See the condition under which the reaction takes place. The reaction is carried out in the presence of diffused sunlight, not in direct sunlight or in a dark room. If the reaction is conducted in a dark room, no reaction takes place. If it is placed in direct sunlight, explosion will happen. Hence, the appropriate condition for the reaction to take place is presence of diffused sunlight. Now what happens here? A saturated hydrocarbon is taken, halogen is added, and hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbon one by one gets replaced with the halogen. So here how many hydrogen atoms are present in methane? There are 4. In the first case, first hydrogen atom is replaced and the product that we get is chloromethane. Subsequently, if the reaction continues, the various other products that you will get are second hydrogen atom is replaced. So, number of hydrogen atoms left in the molecule is 2. Hence, the new molecule in this case is CH2Cl2 plus HCl. This reaction is also carried out in the presence of diffused sunlight. And what is the name of the product? You see, there are 2 chlorine atoms. Hence the name dichloromethane. And what is the condition under which the reaction takes place? It is in the presence of diffused sunlight. Now, same reaction if it continues, the other 2 hydrogen atom can also be replaced with the chlorine atoms. That means in the next step, the possible product, if you replace one of the hydrogen atom with chlorine atom, the new molecule formula is CHCl3 along with HCl. The reaction takes place in the presence of diffused sunlight, and the name of the product is trichloromethane. This is nothing but chloroform, trichloromethane. Now what happens if the reaction continues? One more hydrogen atom is there to be replaced and the final product after the reaction is CCl4, which is called carbon tetrachloride. So when the reaction between methane and chlorine is conducted in the presence of diffused sunlight, we get a mixture of alkyl halides. So in the case of methane, the 4 products that we get are chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and carbon tetrachloride. So what is a substitution reaction? A reaction in which a hydrogen atom of a saturated hydrocarbon is replaced with a molecule or with an atom like chlorine, bromine, iodine, which is an halogen, to give an alkyl halide. So you have understood the meaning of substitution reaction and you are in a position to define substitution reaction now. Now the two possible questions from this topic. Define substitution reaction. How will you obtain chloromethane from methane? For such a question, you need to describe it with the equation. How many, next possible question, how many products will you get if ethane undergoes substitution reaction? Try out this question. The answer I will post it in my drive. Hope that you have understood the meaning of this particular concept, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.